If you chart on TradingView but place your trades on MT5, you've probably wondered if you can link both platforms together. Well, the good news is yes, you can, but only through brokers that integrate TradingView directly. So TradingView cannot connect to every MT5 broker. Only brokers that officially support TradingView allow you to trade through the chart. When your broker is supported, TradingView becomes the front end and MT5 handles execution in the background. So in the TradingView mobile or desktop app, you can open the trading panel at the bottom and look for your broker at the list. So for that, you go to Products, Supercharts, and in here in this interface, you need to open up your trading panel. And in here, guys, the MT5 brokers that support TradingView include Pepperstone, TMGM, 8cap, AvaTrade, City Index, and FX Pro. So for example, if you want to say connect FX Pro, you just go search, type in FX, and there's your FX Pro. And in order to connect, you click on it, and then you press on connect. In here, in this new window, you type in your credentials from your FX Pro account, which is going to be your email and password, and then you connect. And once connected, you can place trades directly on the chart here, use stop loss, take profit, alerts, and order templates, and all trades will appear in MT5 instantly because MT5 is still the execution engine. And that's how you link your TradingView with MT5. Simple once your broker supports the integration. Enjoy the video, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe.